shit. Ocean tennis here. But anyway, cazzo, sarà che ha capito italiano. He should understand, like we're making fun of him.
No, it was a joke. Ciao,
It was a
Chantal.
joke.
Hello.
Good morning, Satan. How are you?
Good
Oh
morning.
my gosh, we're making fun of Enrique. Enrique appeared like at the job. He's a dentist. You know, he appeared with the nurse like he's somebody is dwelling the tooth and he's looking at candlestick formation. Ah, shit! I recorded this again. Okay. Anyway, non ce la faccio più. Vabbè. Anyway, so the back to serious thing, right? State Matthias. All right. So statement for today. I'm sorry, Melissa not here. Statement for today. If you want to write down, everybody, I'm going to tell you another secret from the institutional trading. You know, statement quote of the day: professional traders are problem solvers. You can write this down. Professional traders are problem solvers. I'm not sure if my English is correct. And I'm going to tell you a few things. I'm going to explain to you a few things, and then I'm going to motivate you guys to do the same. Okay? But I want you to understand that that's on you personally to do it. Okay? One of our biggest, not for Shantana, but for the other guys, one of our biggest psychological issues is we are all waiting for somebody to call me. You know, I'm Julius, Tiga, and oh, why Mattia doesn't call me? Why Mario doesn't call me? Why Shantana doesn't call me? But me, Julius, just an example, could be Alex. But me, Julius, I don't have the courage, self-image, or guts to put on a meeting. You know, like, oh, guys, let's do this. Make sense, everybody? So professional traders are problem solvers, and you know, I'm going to show my account, okay? So my account has right now, when you're going to see it, it's a role play, but let's say that my account has a lot of problems. Make sense, everybody? And in an institution, so not personally, I mean, if a trader asks for help, everybody helps the trader, but when an institution has some problems, they have like a roundtable meeting inside the institution and they share ideas and debate. Does this make sense?
Yes.
So let's say that question for all of you guys: what is the only way that you can lose in the market?
Close trade.
Closed rate. That's we all understand, right? So whatever we do, you know, and again, this is a skill. You know, when we are less skilled, we get afraid and we get angry and we get frustrated, and it's too much information, and we tend to close the trade, close the account, close the drawdown. You know, it's too much pressure. Makes sense, everybody? It's how we grow. But with time, you're going to understand that there is nothing to fear, and you're going to understand that shit, the only way I can lose it's me closing the trade, and that's a fact. Makes sense, everybody? So because Euro JPY and Euro in general, it didn't do much, but especially Euro JPY, I'm guessing that some of you are in a problem. You know, I'm guessing, I'm speculating, I don't know, but let's say take me as an example, okay?
Yeah.
So I'm going to show my account and I'm going to tell you, okay, guys, let's make a brainstorming session, you know, and brainstorming session, and this is now, can you see it, everybody? This is now Euro JPY, and I can open I'm going to open 3 charts. Just an example, not Euro CHF, not Euro CHF, but Euro CHF, not this one. And again, close the one, this one, whoops, that's Euro CHF. I'm going to close for the time being. All right, now I have 3 Euro JPY, right? And one more, and like this. And I'm going to go, just an example, there is no right or wrong anyway, and I'm going to share the daily chart, you know, and I'm going to show the 4-hour chart, just an example, you know, and I'm going to share the what, 30-minute chart maybe, or 50-minute chart, whatever. you know, or let's say 30-minute chart, it's all right. 30-minute chart, 4-hour chart, and now I have the daily chart. All right, everybody? And if you look down in here, so this is a meeting and said, okay, guys, I have a problem, you know, and professional traders are problem solvers. So I'm selling, I'm in a hedge, basically. This is my problem. So I'm selling 10 lots on Euro JPY. I'm buying 10 lots here. I'm selling. So on the sell side, I have 15 lots. On the buy side, I have 5 lots and I have another 5 lots. So I am 10 lots in a buy position and 15 lots in a sell position. All right. And here I'm losing 4,000. Here I'm losing $40. Here I'm losing 1,000. Here I'm losing $40. Okay, everybody. And now I need to solve the problem. Make sense, everybody? And like in a group, what we do, we brainstorm. Like Mattia, everybody understands something, that we are playing chess with the market. If the market does this, I'm going to do that. If the market does that, I'm going to do this. Does it make sense?
Yes.
But how Mattia plays chess might be different. How Shantana plays chess might be different. How Mario plays chess with the market. So in a group, this is really so powerful that all different ideas and strategies, meaning, I mean, whatever, how you enter, you know, but if the market goes to the, so we share ideas like, okay, if the market goes to there, close this hedge, or if the market goes down here, enter again, or, so we're playing chess with the market. Make sense, everybody? My job as a trader, like you guys, is to, I'm not sure, but let's say that I'm losing 6,000, I'm losing 6% on Euro JPY. So my job is to clean the trading station without a loss. Make sense? That's the job. Okay. Now, and time is not an issue, because the only way I can lose, it's me closing the trade. So I don't want to, this is the premise you must understand. I don't want to close a trade with a loss. Make sense? What we can do, this is new for you, Mario and Shantana. What we, Mattia learned this already. What we can do, it's called, we can compensate. Make sense? So if I have a buy of 5 lots, and if I have a sell of 10 lots, and if the market falls enough, this sell is going to give me enough profit to close the buy without losing. Make sense, everybody? This is math, you know, it's, you need to go to Word or Excel and see, okay, you know, the market, you play around with $1, you know, it's -1, -2, -3, -4, -5, and simultaneously the sell side of the trade, it's +2, +4, +6. It's, you know, it's 1 against 2. Makes sense? This is hedging now. I'm talking about hedging, you know. So if the market falls enough, I can say, all right, I'm going to close 10 lots of the sell, and I'm going to close 5 lots of the buy, and I'm going to end up without a loss, or I'm going to end up with a small profit. Make sense, everybody? This is not a concept. This is not a rule. This is just an idea how, you know, you as a group, you're trying to solve the problem. Make sense, everybody? Everybody's different. Heraldo is a day trader on the 1-hour chart. Heraldo is not trading like me. Heraldo, it's not going just closing. Heraldo is, you know, day traders have a different strategy. Make sense? Day traders or intraday, they're not going to have meetings. Oh, we need to solve the problem. Make sense? But the big investment banks, the hedge funds, that those guys are playing the game that I'm playing, you know, huge stop loss levels, huge lots, monster trades. Make sense? Then we have meetings and say, all right, how are we going to solve the issue? Does this make sense, everybody?
Makes sense.
All right. Let's start with Mario. Mario, what's your plan on Euro CHF? I'm not saying that like you have an issue.
Euro JPY. Sorry. CHF.
So Mario, I'm talking about Euro CHF because it's the easy one, and so far it's going up. So share your screen, Mario. Share some ideas. There is no right or wrong anyway. ask for help, everybody, if you need to. So when we're having fun with Mario 2 weeks, what to do this. Now I'm telling you, okay, now it's time you can ask for help and debate like, oh, I mean, this is my mess. I don't know what to do, so we can share some ideas. Shantana, what is the only way for you to lose money?
It's just to take the drawdown by closing.
To close the
Want
trade.
to do that, right?
Exactly, to close the trade. Never forget this. You can print it out and glue it to your screens, Okay, everybody? All right, boss. How is your trade? Like, are you losing? Are you winning? You're mute. You're mute, Mario.
Can you hear me? Okay. Basically, Euro CHF, I'm down 2,600.
Right.
Okay. This is the I played. I entered not this week, but last week, the other one. And now the market is going up today. Honestly, when I play consolidation, I am not used to manage it. Meaning that if euro comes stronger, I will let this position open. And when the market breaks this consolidation, I will improve my position from with the A plus trade 5 or 10%.
All right.
This is the
question.
Yes.
So I'm the student here, and I'm asking Mario. It's an honest question, Mario, you're the boss. Boss, if the market goes up and you can see it, why don't you double down? Why don't you buy again? Now.
It's what I told. Now, because we are in a consolidation, Micha. I don't want to buy again in a consolidation.
Why not? It's going your way.
Yes, it's going my way, but we can see that anyway the short-term trend is yet short.
All right. So
meaning we have the. I know that we don't speak about indicators, but everything is short. The indicator EMA 21 is short. I don't know.
Everybody, so this is the huge thing. You must be convinced on what you do make sense. Mas tem que estar naquilo que você faz. Because it's educational, don't worry, nobody's judging nobody. But Mario says, we see a downtrend, then I'm going to challenge Mario. Well, why don't you short the market then?
I don't short this market because we are on the bands. I don't feel enough sure to short this market. We are on the bands.
Exactly. So I wanted to write something down and to understand and study this. What is the only way for you to lose money?
Close it.
Close the trade.
Close that. What is the only way for you to make money?
Open the trade.
Enter the market. So Euro CHF, it's on the monthly bands, which suggests me to buy, but I'm not going to buy again. And Euro CHF, it's in a short-term downtrend, which suggesting that it's going to fall, and I'm not willing to short. But the only way that you can make money is to enter the market. Make sense, everybody?
Yes, but I cannot do it blindly. I want to enter the market, but I want to do it following my strategy. Agreed.
Amen on that. Nobody's saying everybody enter blindly. So, but we have motivation to buy. Like motivation, it's okay. After the news, Euro CHF is going up. This could be a motivation to buy. Agreed, everybody? I'm not saying this could be a motivation. No, what do I know? But going short, well, there is a downtrend. Isn't the downtrend the motivation for the market to go down? Example. Geraldo is saying, I'm not willing to buy the market because I believe that the market is going to go to the lower band. Good. Analyst, good. Talking to a trader, what are you waiting to short the market? Make sense, everybody? Euro CHF is just an example. You must study this psychology of yours. Make sense? Because nonetheless, you are trading patterns. Does this make sense?
Yes.
Okay. This is the skill. This is the value of the virtual office. Tomorrow, we have class with Mario, but after the class, we're going to have this kind of meeting and we're going to look at Euro charts. So if tomorrow, if today Euro CHF closes bullish, and all of you guys, you didn't do anything on your CHF, the question is from the office, why didn't you act? Does it make sense, everybody? That's on me. I wanted to understand that when I say you are playing chess with the market, you are doing this with the head, but you are you are not playing. Make sense, everybody? Playing chess with the market means what am I going to do on any pair? What am I going to do on Euro CHF today, Monday? And your brain is going to work, okay, if the market does this, I'm going to do that. This is Monday. So from Monday to Tuesday, your brain goes, okay, what's my plan today on Euro CHF? If the market does this, I'm going to do that. And there you go, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. You're playing chess with the market the whole this week, after week, after week, after week. Does this make sense? I want to start to think like this. It's always, what's the plan? What's the plan? What's the plan? What's the plan? Make sense, everybody? This is a learnable skill. Thinking in this way, it's a learnable skill. Make sense, everybody? You look at my account and you might think, oh, you know, whatever, it's normal, not judging anybody. But me being as a professional trader, I know exactly what I'm going to do. Make sense, everybody? And I'm going to close, I'm going to profit. Now, fair enough. When I have no idea, the market must move. So if the market is going to start being consolidation, Euro JPY, if it's in consolidation for 3 months, I'm going to be for 3 months there, I'm going to play chess with the market for 3 months. But as soon as the market starts to trend, you know, I have a plan. Make sense, everybody? And it's a plan, it's proven, it's always the same, it's boring, nothing new. Make sense? But if you have, in the beginning, it's all right, this is you learning stuff. But if I have no plan, then what? If I have no plan, this is what it's doing the retail trader. I'm taking chances, I'm trying something, you know? Does it make sense, everybody?
Yeah.
So I wanted to motivate you guys when you have problems on the trading station, call a brainstorm meeting, you know? Make sense? So Mario, share your screen again on Euro CHF. Okay, let's say that Mario is asking for help. Just an example. Okay, guys, I don't know what to do. Help me out. Okay, I'm going to be the number one. Mario, buy again the same lots and put the stop loss below the monthly consolidation. This is my idea from my brainstorming. Mario is going to ponder. Mario is going to say, Mario is going to write down the ideas and then he's going to decide. Maybe yes, maybe not. Make sense? But at least Mario got an idea. Does this make sense?
Yeah. It's brainstorming.
Exactly. So Mattia, help Mario. There is no right or wrong. You can say, you can go, Heraldo, if Heraldo would be here, would say, I'm going against Michael, I'm going to say short. So Mario is going to see Michael's story, buy 5 lots and stop loss, double down, the market's going your way. Heraldo is going to have a different vision. No, don't buy. Me as Heraldo, sell the market. So Mario is going to hear all of these brainstorming ideas, and then he's going to decide. This is the value of this. Make sense, everybody?
Mm-hmm.
And this happens in institutions for real, not for something small, not for micro lots. But if there are some problems, and I know some institutions have problems right now. I know for a fact some investment banks are hugely invested in shorting Euro JPY. I have some friends all around the world, right? Institutional traders, okay? And those guys are talking now, what should we do, and so on and so on and so on. Anyway, Mattia, what would you suggest to Mario? E depois, Enrique, o que você vai sugerir para o Mario?
If you are already in the market, I would enter again with same size, because market is going up, and I would put the hedge below this double bottom.
Can you show the screen, Mario? Where is the double bottom? The
just these 3 candles back.
The last two lows,
Yes.
right? Mario, can you show the 2 lows?
This one? This one.
No, the previous 2. Those
The
2,
first
exactly.
Where is it? The last 2 here? This is a double bottom.
Yes. Yes.
So
Mattia would
basically you would enter again long and put sell stop order here.
Yes.
correct.
How many lots?
I would cover at least half, not maybe 100% hedge, and I will look for entry if the market goes in the lower part of consolidation. I will look for another buy there.
So you wouldn't buy here, but you wait for the market to go down again.
No, you buy again, so you are in loss. You
Okay.
can buy now again because we make this double bottom and market is going up, and you cover hedge with hedge 100% if we lose these 2 lows. But if the market goes lower, you are looking for another opportunity to enter again to the market. That you basically making bigger position on the long side, and when the market is going up, you get the profit to cover the hedge and also make some profit.
So you should cover all the position with the edge 100%.
So far, yeah.
Okay. Another technical question. This is a double bottom. Okay. So you are waiting for this breakout. Is it right?
No, he said enter now, buy now.
Now. Okay.
Yeah,
Because usually, if you are trading a double bottom, I should wait for this breakout.
Mm-hmm.
So everybody can see you're getting ideas, make sense? So me and Mattia have the same vision on enter now, but how would Mattia handle the market going against Mattia? So it's so Mattia is saying, okay, hedge between the double bottom, but me, I said, okay, put the hedge below the monthly band. So me and Mattia are playing chess in a different way, and this is beneficial for Mario, makes sense? This is brainstorming. Mario is going to decide nonetheless, according to Mario's personality, according to what Mario understands, according to what Mario can handle. Does this make sense, Shantana and Enrique? Faz sentido isso?
But edging the position now, where I would put the profit, it would be below the bands, the profit.
Mattia, share your screen, Mattia, and explain Mario your idea. E dopo Enrique, eu vou traduzindo, okay? I'm going to translate in Portuguese for Mario if you want. Tá cansado, Enrique? You look tired, Enrique.
Yeah. Acompanhei bastante o ouro ontem, tá aí interessante.
Very good, excellent.
Isso que eu tô acompanhando.
Hoje temos aula às 8, não esqueça, hoje às 8.
Perfeito.
So just let me hide this. Okay, I believe you enter somewhere in here. So, example that this is your trade. You open again here, like right now, and if the market gets below this, you have the hedge here. You open a short position here to cover these two positions, so you will only lose this amount of money, not full stop. So you will basically reduce the risk with this hedge here, and if the market continue this short-term trend down here to this level or this level, you would look to buy again.
Lost to Mattia, everybody.
Okay.
Lost to Mattia.
Merci. Thank you.
Great planning. Great planning. Excellent. Any
It's
questions,
not-
Mario? To understand what
It's not
Mattia is?
detailed what to do here, but you will need to monitor the market.
Any questions,
Okay.
Mario, to Mattia, for you to understand?
Sorry?
Any questions for Mattia?
Yes, just one thing. I understood that now I should buy again and put the edge below this double bottom. But if the market falls down and gets to the bottom of the consolidation, which is near the band,
This one?
what should I do with short position?
You leave it open until you have confirmation that the market is going up.
Okay, but when you buy again on the bottom of the consolidation, you leave it opened, the short position, or you close?
What Mario is asking, Mattia, is where would the
You
hedge
should-
profit take on the sell side?
If the
So,
profit take is it's
Yeah.
not
So what you can do? Example that the market will do like this, and then the market start to reverse, and you will see like some price action that indicates you that the market will reverse.
Change
This
in the
can be the reason that you should to close the hedge here and put another hedge below the low here, because the hedge is to reduce the loss, not to profit from it. So
wow, Pastor Mattia, wow.
and
Yeah,
if
yeah.
the market goes up, example that you will re-enter again somewhere in here, even if you close hedge somewhere in here on the way when you are still better. So until this point, the hedge will be still in profit. So you will be basically back from beginning when we make price at the hedge price. And I think if the market will go down, you will see some kind of reverse signal or price action that you will close a hedge sooner than at break even.
Thank you, Mattia. I'm going to use your planning for myself. You just solved me.
I have just another question, Mattia, and this is my fault. This is my fault. My question, it's my fault because I don't remember good. If I remember good, we don't have to use the edge in consolidations or not, or it's the Fibonacci that doesn't work in consolidation.
Fibonacci, but also Mario, you didn't go to there is a hedge core, so there is a lot to learn also, but by the way, it's the Fibonacci doesn't work in consolidation.
Okay,
Okay.
I had the doubt also with the edge, but
Sure,
it's okay.
sure.
Tomorrow I will do like Mattia did, and we will see.
Not tomorrow, today. Today.
I have to go to work, Mika, in a few time. I cannot. Today I
No,
cannot.
I'm joking. Scherzando, dai. It's
But what can I do is to open up the position, and tomorrow I will do the edge.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. So everybody, let's move
Thank you,
to.
Mattia.
I'm sorry, man.
Mika.
Yes.
Sorry, I have one question. Do you maybe know what's the leverage on your platform that you're using?
It's the same as yours. It's It's Darwinex.
Well, it's I can open at right now maximum 11 lot size, and I see that you have much bigger lot size, but maybe I will less.
Are you in Darwinex 0?
Yes.
Well, then you write an email to Ignacio, because this is strange. We can open me and Melissa and
yeah, because right now I'm fully exposed. I try to trade the news, and my order wasn't triggered. It was just deleted. It was no message, nothing, and then I see that basically it's not enough money to enter another position.
But if you can write to Ignacio, I don't really know.
Yeah. Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Before I forget, everybody, I almost forgot. Next year for you guys, are you ready? I'm going to open 3 hedge funds for you guys next year. I'm going to open a hedge fund that is going to trade Fibonacci's only. I'm going to open a hedge fund that is going to trade market wave only. And I'm going to open a hedge fund that is going to trade, but not day trade, cryptos. Okay? We're going to talk more in December. But I'm going to open 3 hedge funds for you guys. So I'm going to explain how it's going to work. I'm going to explain the rules so you can participate if you want. Okay?
Okay.
Next year. Before I forget.
How can we participate?
Next, it's not the time to. If one question it's okay. But long story short, just tell me. It's the will. I want to participate. Okay, so it's that easy, right? And everybody, because its time is precious and Mari needs to go to work. Okay, we're going to move to Mattia. Okay, and we're going to start with Enrique. Okay, Mattia, tell us. Ask. You can share everybody whatever currency pair you want, and tell. Okay, guys, help me here brainstorming with this pair. This is my situation. Okay, try to help yourself. And Enrique is going to share his idea brainstorming. I'm going to translate. And then Mario, if Mario is still here, is going to be Mario. Then Shantana is going to share maybe some ideas, Okay. Thank you, Mario. Grazie, Mario.
Thank you, everybody. Mika, I will go in about 10 minutes.
Okay, all good.
Okay, I have Euro AUD. Just a second.
Explain. So everybody, when you ask for help, right? So try to explain the problem, okay? Like I told you, I don't. So I'm in my Euro GPY. It's in a hedge. I don't want to close the loss. This is my problem, Okay.
Okay, so my problem is I'm not managing trades. I'm not skilled to manage trades as now. I'm basically entering and leave it and doing whatever I do. I try not to fall under emotions. So I was trading here the daily. I'm still in a trade of the daily Fibonacci. I enter here. This is the first trade, and I add to position here. So the market was in uptrend, and here now we are moving for 2 weeks, I think, down.
Right.
And we just broke this low. So I don't know, should I close both trades now? So this is in small profit and this is in a loss, so it will be at break even.
This is so easy. Can I tell you, please? Can I tell you? Posso, Henrique, eu falar para Matia? Por favor,
Please.
Henrique, can I tell Matia? It's easy. Okay, so then Henrique is going to close the first trade, leave the second trade open, and put the stop loss of the second trade on the stop loss of the first trade. Oh.
And another problem that I see, it's like in here. So this I'm risking 1%, and this here I'm risking 1%. So if I put stop loss below here, I will be risking 3% if I get stopped out.
Correct.
So I don't want to increase risk. Do you have any other solutions?
Put a hedge on the
Here.
put a hedge of 50% on some Fibonacci level. Okay.
So I could basically just replace stop loss here
With a hedge,
with a hedge.
but 50%, not 100.
Yeah.
And then you put another hedge of 50% on the blue of the Fibonacci, of the blue level. Yes, Mario?
But yeah, if I look at this chart,
Mario, also kind of, Eric, it's before you. Okay, Mario? Good? Vai, Eric, share some
Oi.
ideas. Pode falar em português, eu vou traduzir. I'm going to translate.
Tá, na verdade, eu fico devendo hoje que eu não consegui acompanhar direito. E o hedge também, para mim, também, assim, tá a miles for distance from me, you know? Mas eu não entendi aqui, a ideia é...
O Matias perguntou, ele está com 2 trades dentro, o primeiro está lucrativo, mas estou indo contra ele, e o segundo está negativo, ele está pedindo conselhos. O que eu faço?
Ah, tá, perfeito. O primeiro é aquela entrada lá embaixo daquela barra mais fina, né?
Yes.
E ele está comprado e a segunda está indo contra. Onde é que ele entrou na segunda? Não consigo.
Lá onde está a linha branca, no segundo trade.
Tá, perfeito. E aí você comentou para fazer um hedge desse daí a 50%, que é onde está marcado ali em azul, abaixo onde tem essa seta ali, né?
Sim, sim.
Tá. Eu não posso comentar de algo que eu não sei ainda.
Thank you very much. Enrique says, guys, I cannot help you. I'm sorry, I don't have enough expertise. Vai, Mario. Grazie. Thank you.
but yeah, on this chart on the daily, I can see a kind of a consolidation, large consolidation. Wouldn't be this the moment as the short-term trend before was up to buy again on the bottom of the consolidation?
Good one.
Yeah.
More.
Yeah.
Good one too.
Add to position here, maybe.
Don't understand your question.
You mean like I leave the hedge here, leave both position open, and if I see the short-term trend on the lower time frame, I add to position. I enter again.
I would buy again on the lower band of this consolidation. Honestly, about the edging, I don't know too much to answer your question. It's up to me.
All good, fair enough.
Okay.
Would you suggest, Mario, to Mattia to close the first trade or leave it open?
Listen, if we had long position on the bottom of the consolidation, I wouldn't close the first trade, because this would means that I don't believe in my plan.
Excellent, very good, excellent. See everybody the value different. Mario's playing chess different than me. Can you see everybody? There is no right or wrong.
Yeah.
Okay. Shantana, share some ideas. If you want, if you can.
I think I'm not sure if it's going to help, but the monthly, if you look in the monthly charts, the candle is at the tip when it's gonna come down.
Mattia,
So,
then share the monthly
and
chart.
this is a long position, right?
Give it a second. Go to the monthly. So Shantana is saying that there are long weeks, so most likely the market is going to go down.
Down.
So what would you do, Shantana, in Mattia's place? We're brainstorming anyway. There is no right or wrong, everybody. Makes sense? Não tem certo e errado. Estamos fazendo brainstorming. What would you close both trades, Shantana? Would you close one trade and leave another open?
I've never hedged before, but if I really want to keep the long position, I would probably open a short and make profit from the short order.
Wow, applause Shantana.
To balance that long position.
See everybody, this is the value brainstorming. Shantana is saying I would even enter a short trade to profit on the short. Shantana falou eu iria até fazer uma jogada para baixo para ganhar com a venda. That's the value of you guys brainstorming, asking for help, That's my issue, that's my idea. Pode falar, Nick.
Aí eu queria saber a tua visão ali em relação à primeira compra do Matia, em relação a você manteria e até que pontos você manteria aquela posição?
Eu não manteria, eu ia fechar a primeira. I told Mattia to close the first position.
Fecharia a primeira e entraria com o hedge em 50% daquele movimento da primeira.
Yes, correct.
Tá. E a ideia do hedge sempre, pelo que eu entendi ali quando estava falando antes, o objetivo do hedge não é obter lucro, é minimizar a perda, é isso, né?
Yes.
Ok.
Eric is repeating what Mattia said. Hedging is not to profit, but to minimize risk. So I just confirmed with Enrique. Yes, this is true. Okay, everybody. So all eyes on the yen. Yen it's falling now as we speak. Everybody. Euro JPY it's falling. Euro CHF it's falling. So take action according to your strategies. Take an eye. Have an eye on. This is how Euro news actually works. It's late. It's after 2 hours after the news. Then this is how the market responds. They are calculating, brainstorming, quantifying the news, and now they're acting. The participant in the markets now they're buying or selling, whatever. So pay attention on the euro. Okay, don't do stupid shit. Não faz cagadas. Okay, everybody. Any other pair that you want to check, everybody, and ask to brainstorm? Shantana, did you enter any trades on the demo account?
I didn't. I think I'm still struggling with the short-term trend for the 4-hour, and I'm not sure.
Okay, don't worry. We're going to work in a class, Shantana. Oh, okay. It's a learnable skill. Don't worry. Mario, ciao, grazie. A dopo, a domani. Ciao, grazie. Thank you, Mario.
Ciao.
Okay, Mattia, do you have any other positions that we can brainstorm and?
I have, but I will have to go now.
Okay. All right.
But mostly
Okay,
are JPY pairs.
Very good, excellent. Okay, everybody, so we're going to close the call. Great session. So hopefully today you understand that you can ask for help and brainstorm the problems, ok? Você pode fazer brainstorming, você pode pedir para ajuda, alright?
Okay.
Okay. See you. So tonight, Centena, tonight there is no session. We have class with Enrique. Hoje não tem sessão, temos a aula com Enrique. See you back tomorrow morning. A gente se vê amanhã de manhã, ok? Tomorrow we are not entering trade. Tomorrow is going to be just psychology, traders errors. Amanhã vai ser somente psicologia e erros do trader. All right, everybody?
Perfeito. Eu ia mostrar o ouro, Mike, mas
À noite.
como não é par, eu não vou mostrar, né?
À noite.
Beleza.
All right, thank you so much. See you tomorrow.
Thanks.
Bye bye.
Thank you. Bye.